When it comes to enhancing the value of your home, it's easy to focus on big-ticket projects like remodeling kitchens or bathrooms. However, one often overlooked yet highly effective upgrade is window installation. In Bartow, where homeowners are looking to maximize their investment and boost curb appeal, new windows offer several benefits that can significantly impact your property's value. Improved curb appeal. The first thing anyone notices when approaching your home is its exterior. The appearance of your windows can drastically affect the overall look of your home. Older, worn out, or outdated windows can make a property look less inviting, detracting from its visual appeal. On the other hand, installing new windows provides a fresh, modern look. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or energy-efficient picture windows, updated designs can elevate the aesthetics of your home. For potential buyers, the appearance of well-maintained, high-quality windows is an immediate signal of a well-cared-for home. Increased energy efficiency. In Bartow, where temperatures can fluctuate, energy efficiency is a major consideration for homeowners. Older windows often have poor insulation, allowing heat to escape in the winter and letting in unwanted heat in the summer. This can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home, leading to higher energy bills. New windows, especially energy-efficient models, are designed to provide better insulation, reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient windows come with advanced features such as low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and multi-pane glass, which work together to keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. For buyers, a home with energy-efficient windows is an attractive proposition, especially when they realize the long-term savings they'll enjoy on utility costs. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're not only enhancing the comfort of your home but also offering a practical and cost-saving benefit to potential buyers. Enhanced security. Security is always a top priority for homeowners, and modern windows contribute significantly to this aspect. Older windows, especially those that have become worn or compromised, can be an easy target for intruders. New windows, on the other hand, come with improved security features such as stronger locks, laminated glass, and shatter-resistant materials. These upgrades make your home less susceptible to break-ins, offering peace of mind to both current homeowners and prospective buyers. When buyers see that your home has windows designed for both aesthetics and security, they'll be more likely to consider your home a safer option. Security-conscious buyers will also appreciate the added value of windows that offer advanced locking mechanisms and durability. Noise reduction. Living in Bartow, you might enjoy the peace and quiet of suburban life, but for homes near busy streets or in areas with constant noise, unwanted sound can be a real issue. If your windows are old or single pane, you might find that they allow more external noise into your home, which can be a nuisance. Newer, high-quality windows often feature soundproofing technologies, such as double or triple panes of glass, which can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. For potential buyers, this is an attractive feature, especially for those who value quiet living environments. Homes with noise-reducing windows are likely to fetch a higher price because of the enhanced quality of life they offer. This type of upgrade is often viewed as a smart investment that provides both immediate and long-term benefits. Higher resale value. When you consider all the benefits of new window installation, enhanced curb appeal, energy efficiency, improved security, and noise reduction, it's clear that new windows can add substantial value to your home. Real estate agents often report that homes with updated windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices. Buyers recognize the long-term value that comes with having new windows, from reduced maintenance costs to lower energy bills. Additionally, many homebuyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that have already been updated with modern features, as it saves them the hassle and expense of doing it themselves. This can be especially true in competitive markets like Bartow, where buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready. Reduced maintenance costs. Old windows often come with the added burden of frequent maintenance, such as painting, caulking, and repair work. New windows, on the other hand, are built to last and require far less upkeep. Many modern window materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, are designed to be durable, weather-resistant, and low maintenance, which can be a major selling point for future buyers. The long-lasting nature of new windows means you won't need to spend time and money maintaining them, and potential buyers will appreciate the idea of a home that's easy to care for. Conclusion. Installing new windows in your home in Bartow is a smart and worthwhile investment that can pay off in multiple ways. Not only will you enjoy immediate benefits such as improved energy efficiency, security, and noise reduction, but you'll also enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its resale value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and visually appealing home, window installation is an upgrade that pays dividends both now and in the future.